In an ordinary town, in an ordinary family, there lived an extraordinary cat named Jasper. He looked just like any other cat, with ears, whiskers, and a long tail. But there was something special about Jasper. He guarded his family's dreams. All day long he would lie in his bed. His family didn't have a clue why he was sleeping so much. From time to time, he would wake up for a bite to eat and to play a little, and then go back to bed for another snooze. As nighttime approached and the family prepared for sleep, Jasper watched them carefully. He waited and waited until everyone had gone off to bed and all was dark and quiet. Then, Jasper tip-pawed out of the room. What could he be doing? He climbed the roof, ready to protect his family from any noise and ensure they had a peaceful sleep. This was his job every night. He waited, listening carefully. Suddenly, he heard a familiar sound. He rushed towards it and saw his old friend, the dog.
"Hey, Fido, you're making noise again," exclaimed Jasper.
I'm just howling at the moon.
"But Fido, my family is sleeping nearby. Can you please stay quiet?"
Why, sure. Sorry. Just then, Jasper heard a noise coming from the rooftop. Again, he rushed towards the new disturbance and saw an owl sitting on the roof and hooting. Jasper asked him,
"Why are you making noise, my friend?"
I'm singing my song to the stars.
"But Owl, my family is sleeping nearby. Can you please stay quiet?"
Why, sure, Cat. Sorry. Everything went quiet again, and Jasper was happy at last. Unfortunately, the quiet didn't last long. In no time at all, there was another noise. Jasper ran towards the sound and saw two strange cats making a terrible fuss. He asked them,
"Why are you guys making so much noise?" "We do what we want." "Listen, guys, my family is sleeping nearby. Can you please stay quiet?" "What if we don't? What will you do then?"
Jasper thought for a while and said,
"Then I'll scare you away." "Scare us? Don't make us laugh, kitten." "Oh, I will,"
Jasper yelled.
"Help me, my friends."
The dog and the owl showed up in the blink of an eye. The dog barked, the owl flapped his wings, and Jasper showed his claws. The rowdy cats were so scared that they turned and dashed away. Jasper thanked his friends and told them that he was very tired. They said goodnight to one another, and Jasper ran back home. It was early morning, and he returned to his bed. His family woke up to find him fast asleep as usual. They never knew that Jasper guarded their dreams, but they loved him dearly because he was their favorite.